Hey YouTube, today we're going to put the LG G4 back together in this video. We'll start by replacing all the smaller components into the phone. Starting with the AUX port. Then the rear camera and vibrating motor. Ear speaker next. And lastly, the front-facing camera. Next, we'll set the main board back in place. Make sure the flex cables don't get stuck behind it and gently push it down to make sure it's secure. Then we'll reconnect all the flex cables. Now we'll put the rear cover back together. Just line the two halves up and clip them back together. Then you'll want to just snap it back on the phone. Now you'll want to replace all the screws. Afterwards, you can replace your SIM card. And with that, we've completely reassembled the G4. Thanks for watching this quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more. And if you want any more information, you can always check out our website. Till the next video, bye.